This is a repairability test for 3105 Cove Lake Road. An attempt on this shingle here. I'm going to stop right now because right here we are tearing the under shingle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in and reseal because this slope is now irreparable. I'd also like to document that this slope feeds under this slope. So we will have to do repair across this entire slope as well as this, and as well as our ridge cap that run along the top and the hip cap. Go back in. Let me show you the rip